Okay, now I'm going to go over page 38, which is a review for quiz 2F. So number 1, you're going to distribute -4. Now remember, whenever a negative is distributing, it changes the signs of everything inside. So this becomes -20x minus 24. Now we have 5x multiplying x. So remember, that's 5 times x. So this together becomes x squared. So we get 5x squared minus 15x. Now, whenever you see it written like this with grandma at the back door, just rewrite it and put grandma at the front door. Trust me, you're better off doing that. You make fewer mistakes. This becomes -6x minus 12. Now here, we're multiplying by a fraction. So 1/2 times 3 over 4 equals 3/8. So we have 3/8 x, and 1/2 times 4 is 2, but it's a -4, so we know it's a -2. Okay? Now, let's jump down to number 5. So notice I rewrote number 5 using commas. And I'm going to combine my 5x with my -3x, I get -8x. With my -2x, that's -10x. But the -10 is against a +7. So the negatives are going to win by 3. So this is -3x. And then I have 4 plus 2 is 6. And a 6 and a -3 is +3. Now the next one, again, I have to distribute a -6. And I get -12x minus 18. And this negative, you can just think of it as changing the sign of everything in here or making it a -1. We get -2x plus 3. Now, I'm going to combine my -12x and my -2x, and I get -14x, and -18 plus 3 is -15. Okay? Now we turn the page, and we're going to try to do number 8. And number 8 says twice the difference of 4 and y. Now remember, when you see those words like difference, sometimes that means you're going to need parentheses. Twice is 2 times. So now I'm going to put the difference of 4 and y in parentheses, because I have to multiply the difference, not just the 4, not just the y. And then I have to increase it by the product of 3 and y. Product means multiply. So 2 times 4 is 8, minus 2y plus 3y, and this becomes 8 plus y. Now number 9 says the product, multiply, -3 and y decreased by 4y is added to 10y. So this becomes -7y plus 10y, because I put my commas in. That's a -3y, -4y is -7y, plus 10y becomes a 3y. Okay? Now, let's look at number 11. Gives you a picture. 2x plus 5 and 6. Now, whenever I see these pictures, I like to say, well, this side is also 2x plus 5. This side is also 6. Because now, if it's asking for the perimeter, I just add all of these together. So 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. So that becomes 4x plus 10 plus 12, or 4x plus 22. Now to find the area equals length times width, So now I do 6 times 2x plus 5, and I just distribute, and that becomes 12x plus 30.